Hi, this is the Motorola Edge 40 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. Now open first the the Play Store application, and in the search pool enter the Ampere. So now we should get this first application. That's why tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open button, click I agree, be closed, tap to OK, and now we could see here information about battery temperature. In my case that's 28 and 4 degrees, and also we got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.